This is a 57-piece plant-themed bulletin board set that's great for teachers. I was sent this to review from Molawi, so let me show you a closer look. It's a lot in here. You've got one-sided borders here. You've got 7 red brick and 16 wooden panels. These are really nicely printed. Like, they look real. Slightly glossy, not super shiny. Then we have a lot of smaller pieces to go with the theme for your bulletin board. You've got 5 sheets of sticky dots, adhesive to help you get everything up in place. You've got some large white black outline letters. All of these are the same material, really thick cardstock. They just seem really durable. This is gonna spell out words of wisdom. We've got 14 or so little plants, so I'll just go through them really quickly so that you can see them all. Some of them are in planters, just so cute, the different varieties and colors and sizes, so you can just mix and match to fill in blank spaces and whatnot. This and then 2 more. And you've got a few like random little things. You've got a book, glasses, and 2 protractors. Then you've got a bunch of inspirational quotes. We'll go through those. Today is another chance to be better. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Again, all of these have a white back. The world needs who you were made to be. All things are difficult before they are easy. You can. A mistake is success in progress. Think positive. This one's cut out here. Be brave, be kind, be stronger than your excuses. I like that one. Your attitude determines your direction. Great set for teachers, for RAs in a dorm perhaps, a summer camp, homeschool teachers, for your house, for your schoolroom, all that stuff. These are great, a lot of variety in the set. You can mix and match and do several designs over a long period of time. You can reuse them. Just a great set. You're gonna love it.